Lyocell Fiber Manufacturing Process. Wood pulp, typically eucalyptus, is shredded, cleaned, and mixed with water and NMMO to form a slurry. The slurry is heated under vacuum to evaporate water, allowing the NMMO to dissolve the cellulose, which creates dissolving wood pulp. This pulp cut into pieces. The wood pulp and non-toxic ionic liquid solution is filtered to remove impurities and air bubbles. The dope is extruded through spinnerets into an air gap and then into a coagulation bath containing dilute NMMO. The fibers are washed to remove any residual NMMO and cut into staple lengths, crimped, and, if needed, a lubricant is applied. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.